Hello! Today we are going to learn some numbers and draw these shapes. Are you ready? Let's go! This is number 1. 1 star. This is number 2. 2 triangles. This is number 3. 3 circles. This is 4 squares. This is 5 diamonds. Now, let's learn some colors. Orange color, purple color, green color, sky blue color, black color, yellow color, red color, brown color, pink color, parrot green color, dark blue color, and indigo. Let's go. Now, let's color these numbers and shapes. Yellow color, sky blue color, pink color, green color, red color. Now we will learn these numbers and these shapes. 1 star. 2 1 2 2 triangles. 3 1 2 3 3 circles. 4 1 2 3 4 4 squares. 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 diamonds. Wow! These numbers and shapes are looking so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned for our next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Bye.